No, I'm recording right now. Whoa, there goes my bottle.
So, recording already.
Yeah, I'm recording already. Dee-daddy-do, dee-daddy-do. This guy just lost like 3 matches in a row to Sam's. He opened up Shockmaster on me and I had Gateway, Double Dojo, and United and still pulled it out of my ass.
Yeah.
He wants to redeem himself against Madolche.
You know, saying I pulled it out of my ass with a god hand.
The main reason we're uploading this is because we need to get you on the channel more because I don't know you.
I don't know you either.
Name's Halal.
Hey Shawn, look at me.
Dragon guy. No. I'm not looking at you.
This is my friend Shawn. Here's a thumbs up for him.
It's Dragon guy.
Never mind, he's Dragon Guy.
Yeah.
Even though he's playing fucking cupcakes and stuff.
Part of this
Shut
team.
up. There's no cupcakes in here. There's only pudding.
This is Rube. He's the homo of the team.
Hi.
His job of the team is to buy us shit.
Buy me things.
We're on the same team.
Yes, we are.
But they have to suck dicks for it.
You see, his voice matches his face.
Thanks.
Can you guys hurry up? I'm already on a minute.
You need to shut the hell
Well,
up.
this is your fault. I'm gonna trim the video now because the entire beginning part.
No. Can't cut the beginning part. Fuck you.
I was almost on the channel one time.
Oh yeah. I don't know if I've said this, but this is Windups versus Madolche.
Regionals testing, just in case I play this.
Regional testing. Because,
I'm not recording 6 versus 1. I'm taking raped too easily. Yeah.
Hey Magdalene.
So this deck's got 3 Stratos.
It does have 3 Stratos. It has 19 attack 90% of the time. And warning, it just returned it to his hand. Don't you love this deck?
No. A bunch of pudding doesn't make sense.
We gotta watch this. This Magdalene allows him to add any Madolche monster from his deck to his hand.
Any Madolche monster, including herself.
Including herself. Whenever it's destroyed through card effect or battle, it goes back to the deck. And the reason why it's broken, if Shadow's on the field, even if you saw him warning this thing, it goes right back to his hand.
As of YCS Toronto.
My CS from Toronto is stupid.
Oh, I think you said Taurus. You got how many races involved in that?
Yep.
Hey Shadow.
Double summon?
And here comes another one.
So,
And now they're all 19 attack also, so you know.
First,
Nice.
Fencer.
He has like 7 rangers different colors.
That was his card.
But his strategy.
Don't you love me for telling you to main deck that?
no.
Had to fucking solemn judgment that shit.
I kind of want to get one of those.
You can't overlay.
You duality.
I would discard this card.
Cheater.
Cheater. Noob.
Almost bad as Zach with double sleeving.
That one's pushing it for one.
Hi, Heavy Storm. And this kid still mains Dark Bride like a pro.
Can't regret that.
I've watched him win so many games because of it.
Oh, he killed Rabbit.
He killed Rabbit.
I always kill a rabbit. That's cool.
Yo.
Hi, Messenger piece.
No, I had it untapped.
This is my attack man. Take your attack. Not only did we
He looks so amused by Messenger right now.
I'm not afraid of Messenger. It doesn't do anything.
You should be scared of Messenger.
So I can get rid of it.
Yeah, that's good.
He's got the balls. He got this Messenger. It's going down.
Going down to Pound Town. It's funny, the one time I played Rabbit, it gets fucking solid.
It's not secret.
That is true. If you were using Secret
He's a
Rabbits,
super
that would not
rabbit.
happen.
Yeah,
I'm trying to super rare this deck out.
I can get text messages?
Why do black people get text messages?
it's from the KKK. He signed up.
That's just awful.
Couldn't put my deck right back the right way.
Nope. Go Shockmaster?
Call spells. I promise you it stops Messenger. I guarantee you there will be one comment on the channel saying, "You can't do that."
I swear we do. I got better on some stuff.
That's how we roll at this place. We Shockmaster all the continuous spells.
I've seen a guy try to Shockmaster me when I had skill drain on the field. He tried to call traps.
Well, did he negate your skill drain then?
Nope.
Well, he's a noob. He should have called deluxe traps. Should have called continuous traps, actually. I want that to be an option on that. Like, instead of just saying traps, be like continuous traps.
Your hand is broke.
High five, back row.
Oh yeah, I'm taking 100 off of that.
No.
I'm about to let you bust like crazy.
That is Butler Rusk. They all return to his hand. What are you doing?
I told you I could let it bust like crazy.
500.
Huh.
Oh.
And he sold Judgment to the offering.
Go.
Don't you still search?
Search for what?
Butler Rusk.
Oh yeah, I do get Butler Rusk, but
Hey,
Go.
I'm still going.
he never ended his turn, Joel. Just putting that out there.
So,
Search, spell, try.
yep. So Messenger is probably the one thing that's going to save my life right now.
Not for long.
Not for long.
Not for long.
He has a tiramisu coming up here.
So what's that? That's what? What can I attack? What
15
or higher.
1,000.
Ow.
You're down to 3,000. Don't you feel foolish for using that Judgment now?
You better get a play.
Use it.
What play am I going to have? You solid my fucking brain.
You do realize that Papa Balooza is going to summon like 10 monsters next turn.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Let's go.
Fucking Palooza, bitch.
Let go.
For full field.
You know what? Since we're
Don't you search first?
I do get a search. One search.
Why not two?
You can tell these guys obviously don't know what the hell they're doing.
Summons. Only. Those are our specials. Play ticket.
When's yours?
Overlay.
Monday and Friday.
So this is what happens when you draw these back to back against Madolche.
Tiramisu.
There's Tiramisu. That card's broken.
Tiramisu. Effect.
Well, that's game.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No,
Yeah, it
it's
is.
bouncing too. Shut up.
Fuck you.
This is not done yet. I need putting test to kill you.
Madolche's just looked wind up sass. Joel, what do you have to say about that?
Seriously?
You had Factory, Dark Hole, Messenger, and Rabbit. Come on, man.
3 Madolche.
You gave him all of his monsters back. Joel, no, just stare at the camera and say, I lost him. I lost to sugar and happiness.
I lost to sugar and happiness.
Thank you. We gotta do match 2 here. Or game 2.